Does the Tata AIA Shubh Flexi income plan truly offer financial flexibility, or are there hidden strings attached? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is an individual non-linked participating life insurance savings plan. And some of the key features of the policy are you have three plan options to choose from, like endowment, yearly income and deferred income option, and you also have higher cash bonus potential with the deferment option. And in the cover continuance benefit, it ensures waiver of future premiums, death benefit payout and continuation of future benefit payouts. And in the waiver of premium option, also safeguard your loved ones from, because future premiums are waived, life cover remains active and benefit payouts continue. You also have the flexibility to combine multiple plan options for a customized solution and your choice of life cover level based on individual needs. And it has benefits like death benefit, survival benefit and maturity benefit, and it all differs according to the plan option you have opted for. So if you want to know more about it in detail, you can definitely refer to the policy brochure. Now let us take a look at the advantages of investing in this policy. So cover continuance benefit and waiver of premium benefit can be added for enhanced protection. Your future cash bonus will be paid on the selected special date and inception or any time during the policy term. The policyholder can choose to receive full or partial benefits in their sub-wallet. And for non-single pay policies, cash bonus can be used to adjust future premium payments. And under yearly income and deferred income options, cash bonuses can be received annually, half yearly, quarterly or monthly as per preference. And special discounts are also available for existing customers and women policyholders. The disadvantages are this plan only offers inadequate protection, and opting for yearly payouts will reduce your overall returns, and this plan may not provide competitive returns compared to other investment options, and payouts also vary due to the dependency on bonuses. So these are all some drawbacks that you need to be mindful about before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let's move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis of this policy, which is the internal rate of return. Let's assume for calculation purpose that a 30-year-old male opts for this plan with a 30-year policy term and a 10-year premium payment term, so contributing an annual premium of 1 lakh. The base sum assured is 11 lakhs and he selects plan option 1, endowment, where the payout is received only at maturity. So here we are going to calculate the investment returns based on two future assumed rate of return, like 4% and 8% per annum. This is just to indicate you the worst and best case scenario that you might get from this policy. These are not any way guaranteed returns, and the actual returns will depend on the actual policy performance. So just for a comparison purpose, we have opted for to calculate based on these kinds of return. So at a 4% return, which is the worst case scenario, your estimated maturity payout is 20.95 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 2.93%, which is lower than typical savings account interest rate. At an 8% return, which is the best case scenario, your projected maturity payout is 55.96 lakhs, yielding an IRR of 6.91%, which is comparable to or sometimes lower than bank fixed deposit interest rate. So despite the long 30-year investment horizon, the returns from this policy may struggle to keep pace with inflation, making it difficult to achieve future financial goals. Additionally, the life cover offered is also insufficient. So given the low life coverage and moderate returns, this plan may not be the most suitable choice for long-term investors looking for wealth creation and financial security. So while this plan does offer flexibility in receiving survival benefits, its returns are relatively low. So the same premium, if you look at it, could be better utilized to build a substantial corpus or generate a steady cash flow. That's why we are going to use the same premium to explore other alternative strategies where we are going to separately invest in insurance and investment to see whether that can yield us better income or better outcome or not. So here for life insurance purpose, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 11 lakhs which cost an annual premium of 10,800 rupees for a 30-year term with a 10-year premium payment period. This leaves us with 89,200 rupees annually which can be invested based on individual risk tolerance. So if you are a low risk investor, you may opt for debt instruments like the Public Provident Fund PPF, and if you are a high risk investor, you could consider equity based investments such as equity linked savings schemes ELSS. So for this comparison, we are going to assume investment in ELSS funds. And if you take a look at the potential wealth creation with ELSS, as we have taken that route in this example, the pre-tax maturity value comes around 1.69 crores. So the post-tax maturity value after applying the capital gains tax comes around 1.49 crores. So if you calculate the IRR on post-tax returns, you get an IRR of 10.99%. So by adopting this term insurance plus investment approach, the accumulated corpus is substantially higher than the Tata AIA Shubh Flexi income plan. So the higher return rate outpaces inflation, making it a far more effective strategy for wealth creation and financial growth. So what is the final verdict? Should we invest in Tata AIA Shubh Flexi income plan or not? Is it worth investing or not? This plan offers 3 plan options, allowing policyholders to choose based on their cash flow needs. While the plan's cash flow design may appear attractive, its benefits are not guaranteed as they depend on bonuses. A detailed return analysis reveals to us in this video that the returns are lower than inflation, limiting long-term wealth creation. So the sum assured is inadequate, offering insufficient financial protection. Both the insurance and investment aspects of this policy are not favorable for investors seeking growth and security, and it also has a high agent commission. So as an investor, it is essential to align your future financial choices with life goals and cash flow needs. So instead of combining insurance and investment, investing separately allows for better returns and flexibility. Your investment selection should be based on risk tolerance and time horizon. So to ensure financial security, opt for pure term life insurance which provides adequate coverage at a lower cost and build a diversified investment portfolio based on your needs and goals. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.